Welcome to Borok Paramedical Institution and Technology. With the state-of-art facilities, we are here to improve the quality of paramedic education in this state. With courses like BSc MLT, BSc RIT, BPT, A&M Nursing, BBA Hospital Management, and BSc Optometry. Our institute is affiliated to Tripura University, a central university. We have experienced faculties, well-equipped labs, and brilliant infrastructure, along with hostel facilities and placement assistance. We promise to build the best paramedic career of our students. Borok Paramedical Institution welcomes you to shape your career with us. Borok Paramedical Institution and Technology. Khomnong.
Zarawasini IPFT South District Committee, District Committee, Greater District Committee combined player. South Tripura sini Zonal Development Officer ni thanibo. Sini kaisa demand party ni ongoi sing yafarka. Tei bobai malayoi. JDO sahib bai malayoi. Tabuk ni present the development condition. Tei previous ni je bini zonal ni under kabangma sub-zonal office tongmanibo. Tei kabangma sub-zonal office ni under especially sini Tripura sarak ni kami amsayo je haro development ongya tei beneficiary distribution khaithanibo kabangma durniti tongmani na tuyoi jeng kabangma kokna salaikya te recently tabukni je present condition especially tabukni je sikla bekar rangna tuyoi kaisa scheme ti khlaikya auto rickshaw abo every village committee ni duita kota khlai je distribution khainani bagai edisini high authority ni madhyame je notification khlaijak mani abo bahaino resolution pass khlaimani ba resolution submit khlaimani aro jagabo perfectly babe sung nugia baksa bodol khe bini favor ni ongai maximum submit khlaijak tongo ba sungna kono cooperation khlaiabo yama haike directly subject in thanibo boru phainai tongo abo rokno sung jedio sahib ni thane sung saka abo up to panchayat level ni madhyame village committee ni je elected body tongnai rok ni madhyame resolution nawai perfectly khlai abono submit khlainani ongthong teisini aro jagao sini point tongo a point na teina sungtini kok salainani khaitaniwa sini especially sini logeo tongo sini ompi Vidhan Sabha ni sini IPFT ni MLA borong banang Das Sindhu Charan Jamatia tei IPFT Central Committee ni sini Vice President borong banang Sai Krishna Kanto Jamatia tei sini Youth IPFT Central Committee ni sini Honorable President haikaba IPFT Central Committee ni bo sini AGS borong banang Dhananjay Tripura tei sini South District ni IPFT ni respected leaders tei Gumoti District ni sini IPFT ni respected joto leaders rokna tongo omo haikhaina sang buskango JDO sahib ni thaniwa sang kok roi phaikya buskang ni development ni samang je kuno high authority ni bisingte notification khlaijak angkai cooperation khlai coordination ni bisingte khlai je guideline ni mutabik jakmani no guideline abono follow khainani ongthong nai sang JDO sahib ni thaniwa sang tini sini memorandum na sang yafarka aboni bagai especially tini sang nugo omo haiklai kami ni borok ni bagai especially sang tabuk buskango samang tangnani thangka hangkai sini IPFT ni je daityo tongnai je responsibility wa tongnai jeng jota mansak administration bai jeng cooperation khlai samang tangnani bagai chai tongnai sotik borok sotik beneficiary sotik je manani adhikar borok na jeng pusogrnani bagai jota mansak jeng sahojogita rinai aboni bagai no Gumoti District tei South District ni IPFT ni jeng duita district committee ni ongoi jeng tini combine khlaiai JDO sahib ni thaniwa jeng ko sini sanmong tei sini lukurok ni naharmong tei sini kami amchai rok ni kabangma birmana tei jeng boni thaniya pharmaniwa jeng asuk jaratini ko kachanai jotona hambai